So patients want to know, what is the healing time after implant placement? And it all depends. Everybody is different, but usually within 24 to 48 hours for if you get a traditional implant placed, because it's more invasive. But for a mini implant, patients say, well, I just took a Motrin, I got out with my day-to-day activities, I didn't have any issues. And also we give patients a patient care book for implants, whether it's a traditional implant or a mini implant. And what we recommend is that when you first get the implant placed, we're gonna give you a recipe book where you can drink like smoothies, cold things. You know, it helps decrease swelling, it makes you feel comfortable, and makes you feel, you know, warm and fuzzy, you know, just relax. And then after that, in 48 hours, we want you to drink like different soups and things of that nature. So patients, who follow our regimen, they report back to us that everything is fine, they feel great. And also the night of the day that you get an implant placed, Dr. Hines or Dr. Seluk will give you a personal phone call because we want to address any questions or concerns you may have. But most importantly, we want to see how you're doing. If you have any questions, are you any discomfort, you know, any other questions that you may have that we can address.